Happy New Year! I am so excited about today's video because we are talking about how you can use your sewing machine to help you accomplish your New Year's resolutions. Stick with me, it's not as much of a stretch as you think it is. Okay, so a little while ago, I was thinking about New Year's resolutions, and I've never really been a big New Year's resolution person, but I have been a big birthday resolution person. I mean, my birthday's 5 days after New Year's, so maybe that's the same thing, really, but anyway. And last year I set a birthday resolution of spending my whole year working on revamping, reforming, reshaping my whole wardrobe. And I was gonna document it on YouTube, which I have done. But here's the thing, it took me like 6 weeks to figure out how to film videos. So my YouTube anniversary is actually like a month and a half after my birthday. But what I did want to do this year is I wanted to take a look at these promises, these commitments that we make to ourselves every year, and maybe look at a different way to do them. Specifically, how can you use your sewing machine to accomplish your New Year's resolution? So I have here my notes, and being it's 2020, I am on my second ridiculously good ideas book because I filled the first one up. So what I did is I went online and I looked up lists of like the top 10 New Year's resolutions, and there were a few different lists, but by and large, most of them had mostly the same stuff on, except only one had floss my teeth more as, as like a top 10 New Year's resolution. I'm thinking sewing thread is probably not approved by any dental association, so I can't help you with that. I'm sorry. The other one that I can't help you with is quitting smoking. I did rack my brain with this, but anything I came up with that I could sew that would help somebody quit smoking, it got really weird really fast. So here's what's gonna happen. Today, I'm just announcing it. I'm just letting you know what's going on. It is New Year's Day. We're probably all tired. We're probably a little partied out. Just take the day. Just take the day. Relax, have a cup of tea, sit around in your jammies, do what you're gonna do. I'm probably gonna do the rest of the videos in my jammies, not gonna lie. And starting tomorrow, I'm gonna bring you 10 videos, one video every day for 10 days. And we are gonna knock down the top 10 New Year's resolutions, and we're gonna turn them into ReSEWlutions. Now, these are gonna be 10 days in a row, so they are gonna be super snack size little videos just to give you some inspiration and send you out on the rest of your day. So if you're interested in coming along in this little journey, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time one of these videos goes live. The other thing that I'm going to do is, because this is really gonna be like a roundup of inspiration coming from all different sources, is my Pinterest is linked below. Go ahead and follow me on Pinterest, and I have a board that I've created that is called 2020 ReSEWlutions, and as the videos go live, I'm going to load up all of the stuff that you see that I'm showing you in the video. I'm gonna load up all the pins from that stuff. So you don't have to worry about screenshotting or clicking back and forth or any of that kind of stuff. Everything will be in that Pinterest board, and I will also link that stuff down below. So everything will be super easy for you to find. And this is just gonna be so much fun. So until tomorrow, I hope you're relaxing, I hope that you're chilling, I hope that you're having a fantastic first day of 2020, and I will see you tomorrow with resolution number 1.